Hi, if you're anything like me, you will find that occasionally the loop which attaches your watch strap to your wrist comes off. Typically for me, this is when I put on a rucksack or something, but after a while these degrade and break. This is how to fix it. Now here's the thing, you can't actually fix it. They're made of thermosetting plastic, which means you can't melt it. Anytime you try to glue it, it will eventually snap, it won't last long. So you've just got one or two things to do. The first thing is get something like a hairband or an elastic band. You can see here, this is exactly what I've done, and you can tie it up here. This is the temporary fix. The next thing you need to do is just go online and buy a replacement from somewhere like Temu. So I've got one, it's just arrived very recently, and you can get these very cheaply, only about 60, 70p even. And this is what they look like. There we go. And that will do the trick. So take here, you can see, and you've actually got some to give to your friends. So you can give these to your friends. So we can just take this all off. And you won't need the elastic band after a while. As good as it was, they won't last that long. You can obviously use a hairband, but these are obviously temporary measures. What you want is something like this to do the job. So the question is, it will go on the same thing it came off, I think. I can't even remember now. Here we go. There you go, and you are all sorted. Did I get this on the right way? Yeah, I've put it on upside down here, so check you get it the right way up. But this is all you need to do. 67p I think this cost me. Unbelievable. So when it goes on, the little clip in there needs to be on the other side, which is this side, the top. There we go, all sorted. So no more problems, and I've got 4 spare ones. So I could probably make some new friends and say, oh, you've got a broken one, would you like one of these? See ya.